New York City has been recognized worldwide for its mix of culture and commerce as the apex of upscale urban living. But living in this glamorous city does not come easy. The wealthiest 1% of its residents live in the most opulent penthouses imaginable, most of which have been curated by the universe's best architects. New York's competitive real estate market offers great apartments as architects compete to design and build sleeker and taller apartment buildings that provide more luxury than ever before. Today's video will look at the top 5 most expensive apartments in New York City. But first, like this video and subscribe for more. Let's dive in. Number 5. 795 Fifth Avenue, Upper East Side. This $60 million spectacular 14-room duplex apartment is located atop the prestigious Pierre Hotel. The Pierre Hotel is a creation of Charles Pierre Colasco, an immigrant from Monte Carlo. He opened the restaurant for a creme de la creme of the New York society. He partnered with Charles Chrysler, Otto Kahn, and E.F. Hutton, raising $15 million to open the hotel in October 1930. Hajj Hotels and Resorts acquired the building in 2005 and injected millions of dollars for renovation before its grand reopening in 2009. You can own a part of history and take advantage of the restaurant and the services it offers. But you will need plenty of cash, because the co-op board does not permit financing. The apartment features a meticulous triple mint facelift with stunning 360-degree views of the Manhattan skyline in Central Park. This elegant trophy house is categorized by an extensive suite of stunning rooms, including an extravagantly large corner living room, a huge formal dining room, and a library spanning 42 feet. The elegant and versatile design provides 7 bedrooms, with wood panel dressing rooms, luxurious marble bathrooms, and spacious sitting rooms. The spectacular renovation incorporates hardwood floors and custom details with cutting-edge technology and state-of-the-art lighting. The White Glove Pre-War Co-op offers amenities and services, including a pristine gym, housekeeping services, and concierge. Number 4. 2 Park Place, Pinnacle Penthouse, 10,007. This $79 million apartment is described as New York's preeminent residential offering. The Penthouse is a 5-story mansion spanning 9,680 square feet, with a private observatory terrace covering 408 square feet. The most extraordinary features are 125 windows, an in-house private elevator, and 24-foot ceilings. Alchemy Properties developed the 722-feet Pinnacle Penthouse, while David Hodson and Thierry Despont customized the sought-after home with splendid floor plan designs. Despont is one of the world's best designers of legendary hotels, opulent private estates, and great restorations. Some of his renowned works include the restoration of the Statue of Liberty, 220 Central Park South, and the Ritz Hotel Paris. He had a clear vision for the Pinnacle, which embodied grand entertainment areas with ornate touches which make the Penthouse unique to any other property in the world. David Hodson provides another alternate design that includes acquiring an additional floor. Hodson is an expert in voluminous residential spaces. The Interior Design magazine awarded him Best Apartment of the Decade in 2015 for his works at the Sky House Penthouse, located at 115 South Street. The Penthouse has 1 bedroom and 1 full bathroom. Other amenities include a 24-hour concierge, doorman health club, pool, laundry room, library, and doorman. Number 3. 973 Fifth Avenue, 10,075. This $80 million opulent apartment is described as one of the most notable apartments in remaining private hands today. The residence was built on the finest block of Fifth Avenue by America's most sought-after architect. It is the only block on the Upper East Side, Manhattan, where no rise apartment building will ever be allowed. The whole block of Fifth Avenue is called Cook Block, and this residence was built for Mr. Henry Cook. The apartment has been completely modernized and meticulously restored beyond its stately surface. It amazingly escaped the destructive architecture design whims and the ravaging of passing tastes in its 116 years of existence since 1906. It remains an intact masterpiece of McKim, Miard, and White, who were among America's greatest architectural firms in history. Every system has been upgraded and every modern convenience added with effortless elegance that does not interrupt the quiet impressiveness and grace of the apartment. The estate has a full frontage with stunning views and lavish rooms with over 16-foot ceilings. The rooms easily top the trees, offering glorious views over Central Park. There are cozy rooms for intimate gatherings and grand rooms for formal entertaining with beautiful details and paneling. The house spans 7 floors, covering over 15,000 square feet. A patio and marvelous rooftop garden have been built at the top of the apartment. The patio lifts you high above Central Park and provides you with 180-degree views of the tippy towers of Manhattan and the West Side skyline. Number 2. Residence 127, West 57th Street, 10,019. This $150 million residence stands over 1,300 feet in the sky and is the highest duplex in the prestigious Central Park in New York. It is an 8-bedroom residence, spanning 11,535 square feet with breathtaking views of the Hudson River, Central Park, the skyline and all points north, east, south and west. The apartment has 8 bedroom suites, a power room and 9 full bedrooms. It boasts 14.6-foot soaring ceilings with dramatic vistas and grand-scale floor-to-ceiling windows in every room. The centerpiece of this architectural masterpiece is the Grand Salon, spanning over 50 feet. 3 walls of windows offer the ideal entertainment setting, with 270 degrees of breathtaking panoramic views. A corner 30-foot-long formal dining room is adjacent to the Grand Salon, together with a corner observatory that opens to the library overlooking Central Park. A chef-eaten kitchen beautifully equipped with small bone of devices, custom cabinetry, and meal appliances faces the south. There is a corner windowed entertainment room off in the kitchen. The first floor has 2 bedroom suites with ensuite bathrooms and a staff bedroom with its bathroom. Upstairs private quarters are accessible via the apartment's private elevator or a dramatic sweeping staircase. A corner bedroom floats on Central Park and has 2 massive dressing rooms and 2 luxurious ensuite bathrooms. One of the bathrooms overlooks Central Park. There are 4 additional bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and huge closets. Number 1. Penthouse at 432 Park. Penthouse at 432 Park is the most expensive apartment in New York, at a whopping $169 million. This top-floor penthouse is at the 1,396 foot of the world's most recognized ultra-luxury tower. Fawaz Al-Hokair, a billionaire Saudi real estate developer, is the current owner of this 96th floor apartment and purchased the apartment in 2016 for only $88 million. The unit has 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, spanning 8,225 square feet, and features glass windows covering 240 linear feet. Throughout is soaring 12.5 feet ceilings, 24 10 feet by 10 feet windows, and herringbone white oak floors. The Great Room is 93 feet long and offers 360-degree views overlooking Central Park and Manhattan. The room features a formal dining area and a wood-burning fireplace. The eat-in kitchen features countertops, marble floors, and natural oak cabinets with backsplashes and a white lacquer. A north-facing breakfast bar with polished chrome fixtures, a butler's pantry with sink, and high-end appliances from Meal complement the kitchen. The primary corner suite has a sitting room, 2 windowed bathrooms, walk-through dressing rooms, slab marble walls, custom wood cabinets, floating tubs, and radiant heated floors. Each of the other 5 bedrooms has a full ensuite bathroom and an ample closet space. Which is your favourite in our list of top 5 most expensive apartments in New York City? Leave your comments below. Kindly like this video and subscribe for more interesting videos.